Hey guys, I'm gonna be teaching you how to do the latch drop. So, to do the latch drop, all you need to do is, some people when they have a latch, this is the latch, okay guys, this is the latch, the lock, or whatever you wanna call it. So, all you need to do is like that. So, this look like, this is it, okay? Like, just like that. But I like doing it in the handle because I'm used to doing it, so as you can see. Okay, so this is a comb. Oh crap. All you need to do is, oh crap, to do is, all you need to do is do this. So here's the latch. You can do this actually. If you don't have a latch, you need to do is grab this part, the handle. You don't need to worry about that. So I don't like it grabbing into the latch. Some people hate that, and some people don't because it's hard. But my latch isn't a, automatic. So when I did a review on this, I said, "Oh, it's almost automatic," but it's actually no. It's just a like. It doesn't freaking pop out, as you can see. I filled it with tape, by the way, so I didn't get it scratched. Okay. And crap. There you go. I can do. That hurts my hand, guys. As you can see, that hurts my hand. I don't want to do that anymore. There you go. More easier. That's more easier than the crappy crap. Okay. So the latch drop is like this, guys. So it's gonna be a short video, but latch drop, hold the latch, it will bounce off like that, and another one like that. So full action. Nope. It's hard. Okay, guys. Next, turn around. Just like that. So, as I said, I like doing this like this. It's more easier doing like this. As you can see. The sounds are super satisfying. I might do an ASMR on this, guys. Oh, look at that. It looks like a katana, okay? Look at that. Bend it up. Bend it up. I'm doing different tricks, okay? So that's it, guys. Goodbye.